Okay guys, this is the continuation. So regarding VHS tutorial. Alright, so after you after you test, uh, okay, you test it first, right? Test, take a picture, list, then when you sold, this is an example. I sold this one. What I do guys, as you can see on the side, I have it labeled like this one. So when they got sold, I just look for the model, then I'll just grab them. Okay, so this one is a Panasonic PV7451 model, and yeah, I'll show you how to pack it, what I use. So for this one, I got 24 inches bubble wrap, and yeah, because mostly this one, the length of this is like it's around 15 or 14. So let's grab, mostly I use a 16 for this one. For the small one, I use a 16 by 12 and by 6. Okay, yeah, and yeah, you need bubble wrap. Mostly I wrap it like 3 or 4 times. I don't know if I can show it to you guys. Let's see. So that's the one there. So here, so I do it like this. Mostly this one, I'll put it like this, so it will slide a little bit. So there you go. So I do it like this over here, extra, so it will be more protected. Okay, so there you go. So like that. So 1, 2, 3 is fine. So 3 is fine guys. It's good already. So we're gonna look like this one. So it looks like that, right? So what I do is I tape over here so they will not gonna go slide like that. Then on the edge, I do it like this, like a ribbon or something. So like that, and I tape it over here. Okay, so there's a caution here, caution here, caution here, and the others. So like that. And the other side. So here, like that, and like that. Or you can do it like this, like that, like that. Then other side. Okay, so it's gonna be looking like that. So it's really good, right? So let's grab this one. 18. You're supposed to have this if you love to sell VHS. Mostly 18 by 12 by 6. This will be fine. But on this one, mostly 16 by 12 by 6 is okay. But if you want just only one size, it's safer to get 20 by 14 by 6 box. Mostly all the wider VHS or the combo, it will fit in there. So that in that way, there's only an extra space if you're gonna sell this. So here, so there you go. Let's put it here. So yeah, see, so it's just right? So mostly this one, this, there you go. It's really good, right? So if 16, it's just very compact, but since we use the 18, it's okay. Then you put the cable, or you put the cable. Here you go. I always have this one, guys. Just a quick tip: if you go flea market or garage sale, mostly I get them for $1. Okay, so just put it on the side. See, so and you close it. And if you think there's more space, you can use your scissor or box resizer. There you go. Here we go. And tape it. There you go. So the tape. Okay, there you go. So that's the finished product. And just take the weight measurement and you're good to go. All right, so hopefully this one helps, guys. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below. And that's how I ship it. Then you can put extra tape there if you want. Either side is okay. So see, looks good. So you can reinforce it if you want. And mostly I put the label over here, and I put label here, the fragile sticker. I'll put it here on the edge and here, and you should be fine. Mostly, guys, based on my experience, I ship them FedEx or UPS. That's the only choice for this one. Mostly they're roughly around 10 to 12 pounds. When you list it, you can just put 18 by 14 or 20 by 14 by 6. Then just put 12 pounds. Then calculate it if you're not familiar with the shipping. But for me, this one, I sold it $59.75, free shipping. My cost on them, it's like a $5 to $10 because I have someone, or I get connected with the flea market guy that do electronics, and mostly every 2 to 3 weeks they bring me some stuff like VCR, receiver, and we do flat rates. And everything is good, guys. That's the one over there that's tested already, and I have more something to be tested. That one, the receiver. But just a quick tip, guys. If you want to start, or if you're buying VCR or VHS in the store, make sure you test them first. Okay, so go back to the first step. That's when we test the VHS. Go back on that step. It's very easy. We're gonna save you a lot of time. For me, I have it with me because they will just bring it to me. Then we'll just make a deal, bundle deal. Then I'll test it myself. So it will just cost me $5. The max is 10, but mostly I price them, if untested, I price them $5. That's one price already, guys, for the VHS only or the combo. So if I got more combos, better for me because this is a lot. And quick tips also, VHS only mostly around $39 to $49 to $59, mostly pricing. Okay, but also sometimes there's 100 plus And if you're gonna get it with a box, that would be better. All right. Yeah, if you have any question, leave a question below, and I'm happy to help. Hope this tutorial video we're gonna help you a little when you start a VHS receiver or something like that. Okay, have a good day and God bless.